Good morning, children. Good morning. And ma'am is back with a new concept. Today we will learn one new concept. Near and far. Near, far. Okay, children. Now I am very far away from you. Now I am coming close to you. Where I am now? I am very near to you. Am I right? Yes, children, I am going to explain this with another example. Come. See, children, this is the picture of a bird. And this bird is far from her eggs. This bird is far from her eggs. See, eggs are here and the bird is here, and distance is large, so this bird is far from the eggs. Now see this picture. Here the bird is near to her eggs. And in this picture bird is far from her eggs. Is that clear, children? See this picture. This picture is the home of this girl. Now this girl is at her school and she is far from her house. She is coming from her school. Now she is moving, and now she come close to her house. Now she is near to her house. Now this girl is near to her house, and now and here when she is the girl is far from her house. And now she is near to her house. Yes, children, ma'am wants to give you one activity to do at your home, and this activity is based on the concept of near and far. And you don't have to do anything. Okay, you just stand in front of the mirror at your home and you just see. When first you stand far away from the mirror and you just look at your image. Okay, and then you just come close to the mirror, stand near to the mirror, and you just see the image and find the difference between these two images. And we are going to discuss about this during our online classes, and hope, children, you all are going to do this activity at home. Okay, children. Now come to page number 52. On this page, one exercise is given. Take the dog near the boy. Two dogs are given. Now what you have to do? You have to take the dog which is near the boy. And in this picture, you have to cross the child which is far from the ball. And in this picture, cross the bird far from the tree. Here is a picture of a tree and two birds are here. Okay, but we have to cross the bird which is far from the tree. Now, children, that's it for this video. See you in the next video.